Well, sales of new homes unexpectedly fell almost 9% last month. Though reports this week show that new home construction in June did hit its highest level since October 2008. But a somber reality in the housing market is growing bank foreclosures on the elderly and their homes. Well, Craig Mauro joins us live from Chicago with more details on that. Craig.
Well, Michelle, the main lobbying group for Americans older than the age of 50, which is known as the AARP, has just released a new analysis of foreclosure data that paint a disturbing picture of how the U.S. credit crunch has been affecting older Americans. Now, the AARP says that there are millions who are in similar straits to one woman that I met here in Chicago. Sylvia Jo Oglesby is awash in paperwork as she tries to hold on to the house that she's owned for more than 40 years.
It's a nightmare, and I'm saying, I'm just trying to keep my sanity.
Oglesby, who is 75, has fallen $18,000 behind on her mortgage payments. The lender has foreclosed on the property, meaning it could reclaim the house as collateral.
The housing counselor that I had said that I should seek an attorney because it was a fraudulent, predatory loan. It should not have taken place.
The American Association of Retired Persons, or AARP, says 3 million Americans over the age of 50 are in danger of losing their homes. They're either in foreclosure like Oglesby or are at risk of slipping too far behind on payments. In 2003, Oglesby had refinanced her mortgage to help offset medical expenses. She was working in HIV prevention but lost that income in 2009. She now relies on volunteer lawyers and her own determination to fight off foreclosure.
Where am I going to go? Can I be homeless at this point in my life? It doesn't make sense. Let's figure out something that will let me stay here, and then after I'm gone, you can have it. I don't care.
The AARP says new programs such as interest rate modification and mediation assistance are needed to help older people who may not have the income or the know-how to avoid foreclosure. Now, foreclosures aside, there are some signs of optimism, and many analysts are hoping that those June sales numbers that you mentioned, Michelle, will be a blip in what has been thought to be a gradual, steady, fragile recovery of the U.S. housing market.
Thanks very much. Craig Mauro live in Chicago. Yeah, home builders this month actually had the highest level of confidence in more than 5 years, so hopefully the pullback will be temporary.